Material water mixer. After the crushed malt powder falls into the mash tun, automatic temperature-adjusted slurry mixing water is added to the mixing chamber according to a certain proportion. Mix the malt powder and slurry mixing water evenly, and then send them directly into the mash tun. It can fully reduce the phenomenon that the malt powder is easy to agglomerate during the feeding process, reduce material loss during production, and improve the uniformity and stability of mashing operations. 2. Indoor exhaust device. The indoor exhaust device of the mashing system is suitable for relatively closed spaces such as restaurants and bars. Secondary steam during mashing and boiling can be vented indoors. Reduce environmental pollution caused by direct evacuation of secondary steam and purify indoor air. The waste heat of the secondary steam discharged indoors can also be recovered and converted into hot water for use. Hot water can be put into the hot water tank for the next step of mashing and washing of malt, so as to achieve the purpose of saving energy.